Ah, the mommy and the papa them una welcome. Una welcome for this our very serious business where it will start right now. The program in name now what's happening. Was any man? Was any? So how we doing, folks? That means say it don't happen again where we there we for the very place we there for year for seven now. Thank una plenty. We come back. Whoa, it don't reach. Yeah. Okay. Thank you now for staying tuned to the best TV in town, CMTV, where all we did is so Kankweli Kali. So the first slot for our program today, we'll talk about Kongosa News. Kongosa News na Kongosa News. First on the agenda, now something where it vexed me plenty, where we get for put them step by step. Them talk say some actor, Cameroonian actor, is scam some woman. Take ye money, palava America, c'est monté, c'est descendu. I want just tell una something. No be the first time. No be the first time. Where this kind of thing happen. And we are very proud to say that this time na boy do and forget. They get it, they molecular get it, don't overcome way. Yeah, baby, please for 2,000, let me go and do my hair. Please for this and that, let me go and do this. My grandmother is sick, I need 25,000. Where you want to go get a that is scam. You are a scamist. Do you understand? So right now we are very happy. Say now our illustrious this and that actor, he do what? The woman too be the thing now which he see fine boy for Facebook, he wire money, I love you. Frank Saya, you are the man. Oh my Frank Saya, see as you come out le fresh njanga. See how the grandfather there, oh grandfather come on le fresh njanga. See how you find that fresh pork, the way they come up for on top the see how you there. And the thing I say, they get to tarnish this man the image because this man has a family. Now family man. The man not tiny. See a beautiful wife and a two kingdom. This girl is a tarnisher. She's tarnishing the boy's image. But I told myself, Frank, if you do so, if I say you do but if you not do problem no day. If you do so, next time I want to you find my number, you call me so that me and you will do the diggings. Frank Soya. Your name say even Fedele Soya. Soya is very good to eat. So normally the game we get for 4 choki. If we get for 4 choki, nothing away there. No leave that one. No leave that Frank Soya. So you know you be the man. Now we come for another Kongosa News. Them say Tila. Tila baby. See fine girl. It did like that girl away the crack stone for Bamenda. Very beautiful. Hi! If me and never get girlfriend he posts for Facebook. Say he and another fine girl ask her, they will get problem. That means the problem is he post say no, he don't forgive me, this and that. Ask her, very beautiful girl. Finally, that boy the way they dig sand for Mongo. Hi! Baby, you come out. I tell you. You see, she has asked her fine. Very beautiful girl. He don't go do pig swag where you carry idele swine. Go do pig swag, ring for nose. Nothing in that way at the time I say, it's no fine. When if you want to be beautiful, let's be beautiful. Let's come back to the problem where they say they get them. Till I say, okay, so Askia called me, I am a two-fist. The fool say no sabi write English. Now wait that. Now tongues that or na things. I know for no. But anyhow, sometimes we don't smooth banger before you write. Probably no day. If we talk say this and that, but I don't know what if I bring the problem. Now say ask you be smoke till I have banger where it be keep am on her. I know the under. I know they understand. But the thing I say, social media is not a place to wash up your dirty dresses. Have you heard, my sisters? You have each and everyone's number. You call and then you express your discontentment. Hi, big boy, don't talk English. You express your discontentment. Thing way they worry you. But don't put it on social media because when you put up, I go see them and I go talk am. No, we'll go for the next one. They say Uncle Chinos to come for social media. Bikini talk, how is a mountain descendu? Now say, grand frère, I no one cause you. I no one cause you. But I want just tell you, say, when man express a idea, Uncle Chinos, may you know take them at heart. Uncle Chinos. Don't take it at heart until you decoshi. Say support boy. Yes! If be support boy, Dr. Kek Stephen a proud support man pikin. It's not easy for common support that you make them for life. It's not easy. This man be just express how you want them, say me they pay you. No be any my business. And I want to tell you something too about Ken Stephen. No be na say Innovi shoot video for 20,000. The shoot video for 20,000. It's not the amount. But I say because he is so talented, he get plenty work. So now if you want drive people with price, he say they'll pay now 1 million, they'll pay 2 million and all one not. Nothing that way a day. But as if they talk say they go pay foolish musicians and all one not, they still go pay the money. So when I want to say me idua, he only get for take them. So my brother, next time when you want to talk that, you know even find yourself say you talk say me they pay you 1 million. Will you wait may the artist come? May you before you talk that nonsense. It's not good when you express and so you make as if people start follow you say that they pay you 1 million for a video. It not go fine. Composer news don't finish today. We will come back, but before we want come back, may we go for some very serious musical break where we want choose today na tenor bad things. Oh, that periphery no bad thing there, man. Very bad boy. May we go for the video. Tenor bad things.
Ramsey, party with you. Hey. Laisse-moi te tous les mauvais oui ce soir. Petite lumière pour habiller le noir. Laisse-moi te chose que je peux te faire à m'en toucher. Tu verras que Superman n'a pas de pouvoir te faire ressentir les courbes de ton corps. Je veux valoriser chacun de ces décors. Un peu d'eau, un peu fort pour que tu sois d'accord. Mes doigts giront un peu comme si Céline Dion chantait sur un son hardcore. Je veux prendre mon temps, je laisse en t'arrêtant. Je te fais quitter la terre en restant en colétone. Faut pas que tu t'étonnes des toucher, j'en ai des tonnes. Car tes cochons, ça vous confirme que t'es la bien et la bonne. Laisse-moi t'explorer au millimètre. Ton body se lève et le mien je le mette. De faire des mauvaises choses qui ont lieu d'être. Car même l'indiscipline a ses règles. Me déposer sur toi comme un bec sur une feuille. Me glisser dans tes segments comme un billet dans un portefeuille. Beaucoup de batting qu'on essayera. Le genre de battre qu'on doit mais qu'on ne regrette pas, babe. Si je suis un toxico, mon bébé, ce soir t'es ma cigarette. Si je suis un alcoolique, je consommerai comme un casier de pierre. Si je suis mieux les taux. Ce soir tu seras ma chanteuse. Bébé ton corps là me rend bête. But baby I wanna do some bad thing with you. But baby I wanna do some bad thing with you. But baby I wanna do some bad thing with you. But baby I wanna do some bad thing with you. Some bad thing with you. Dieu nous a laissé ce monde et toutes les belles choses qu'il y a dedans, dedans. Pour moi tu en fais partie et pour en user faut être prudent. Te faire ressentir de toutes les couleurs, des images de pluie et de beau temps. Un mélange de plusieurs choses, car c'est l'arc-en-ciel qui a le plus beau temps. Réfléchis et pense à ce moment uniquement. T'écarter, moi je sais comment te combler. Je serai aussi rapide que doucement, inexplicable comme une vérité qui manque. Donne-moi juste laisser aller, ce sera ma leçon pour te comprendre. J'essaie dans le langage du corps, la tête n'a pas beaucoup à apprendre. Je te fais rire à moi comme les ondes, mais ça devient à l'ouest et à moi. Comme l'infini, je veux couler sur toi, te faire ressentir le ouais, je sais que tu es à moi. Si je suis un toxico, mon bébé, ce soir t'es ma cigarette. Si je suis un alcoolique, je consommerai comme un casier de pierre. Si je suis Samuel ce soir tu seras ma chanteuse. Bébé ton corps là me rend bête. But baby I wanna do some bad thing with you.
Yeah.
But baby I wanna do some bad thing with you.
Oh, bad thing.
But baby I
Very
wanna do
like for doing a bad thing them. I the looking so very you are futureless. That means say even future you no get them. Stop doing that, it's not correct. It aren't correct. More live palava bad things, more go for the second part. That means say phase 2. That means say we'll go for wonderful thing them. That means say thing the way they are very wonderful ring. Una dey understand no? Now the thing in that way, I don't want you to tell una say next time we get to recommend this kind of baba because the baba na grand. Una just see. Hi, grand frère, you the baba with knife, a hammer. Imagine say you join na go palm that money here for you go talk to me. Hi, grand. I don't even know who now which kind of hard way that man where you the shavy get him. That man where you the shavy, he get now which kind heart. Hi. The man where you the shavy grand. That me say, my heart the court. The man where you the shavy. My heart the court plenty. Hi! Boy, you use hammer with knife. I know any kind another knife way that mommy knife way they use them for kitchen. You the cut man if you be with them. More go for fufu expert. That means say any flavor would want turn water na wash fufu. Water fufu, fufu corn, fufu njangsa fufu, meal, anything. Una call the gram wild. In no turning fufu. That means it turn fufu with swag. That kind swag grand friend them. Una see that grand friend. Aye. Baby, I mean say he make a sort of wait, I say swag. The one so na actually water fufu that way it turn and so. That man no fufu turning. Oh shit. See as he dey. Papa, you be boss. That means say, you be that very kind grand them. More come over that side. Happening. That means say, That means wonderful thing them they happen for the outside. Wonderful thing they will happen for the outside. Wonderful. Because imagine if the pa and my pa are the change papa, painter. Well, you want to say no, can't paint my house. No, you must give me one man. You must give me one man. See to where one man they do. See na ida so see. Una see to where one man they do. My body a red bat. He mo paint mo. Grand you mo paint. Yes. You mo paint am. Paint am no grand. Yes. You mo paint am. Die. I can't see before painter one come, he don't drink le 95 bottle. Come paint what na which way the painter what na ancestral painting. I need to understand. But if you see play with foul the drink me, but that means that foul a problem plenty per human being own. Una see. That means the foul a problem plenty. It plenty very badly. So te yes. Then the other one there red shark so te the pin condi for no for. See I see the pin condi. My boy pin. Oh Papa God. That means imagine if foul feel resort for drink beer. That means the country don't bad now for change country. My body pin condi pinam is the for. My body pinam again pinam. I say that found now is seen at 24. That found is seen at 24. I did tell you that. That means therefore, I don't know what to be that for a problem. But me I feel suggest that means it don't come off for go chat so other foul. That foul give it. Then the small 5,000 we hold up. It the rest pen up. It just say where major go take a one man. Then he go the pin a condi. After he don't drink. Grand. He no pin in there. That cock this no bad pin in condi. For the other one. Where I want show una the name na no comment. That means I need talk no nothing. Me una just look. Una just look. Wait till it happen. More come we back. If me I get the kind friend, if me I get the kind friend, I dey put e head for back. They are knock on the corn. Una know how they used to knock corn for village, no? Put e head for back. Beat them. Le corn make come on green. Now you feel suffer man so on taller than all, my brother. How is that possible? Now how una want to make life day? They get for beg una. When I did look that kind of people and so I did sorry them, just sorry give one credit. Very bad. They face two for today for wonderful thing the way they happen. It don't pass. So more get some small musical break. The one na Clando, Blaise B, Salatier, Mr. Leo, Clando. If you no get money, no enter Clando. No enter. Because he was.
She like money, oh, she like money, oh. She like money, oh, she like money, oh. I give her my heart, she throw away. I give her my heart, she throw away.
Me love you well, I know deny that. Why you lie, say your name, not Juliana. Now for you I be one cut, my dada, na. Whenever you call me honey. Now because you want chop my money. You the claim say now me be Johnny. But now I realize, say now you be a pussy. Pourquoi tu me fais ça mon bébé, malé? Je ne veux plus de toi, mon cœur est brisé, désolé. Now so everywhere you walk up beating. I know fit to live now maybe papa for picking. What's over here, I'm cool, did she live? No polygamy, I blast that thing.
If she single and searching, no say she be Clando. And if your money no plenty, no enter Clando. If she single and searching, no say she be Clando. And if your money no plenty, no enter Clando.
She like money, she like money, oh. She like money, she like money, oh. Yeah. I give her my heart, she throw it. I give her my love, she throw it.
The girl eye down strong when he see money, she go run, come. Shake that body till the kingdom come. Format your brain until you lost income, yeah. This girl get the biggest behind. What a bam, baby, your waist not die. She not the play when it concern money. Chai, I want my money. I wanna be the one to twist and caress ya. Fine girl, fine face, little criminal. If you wanna tell my money, girl, oh, you must take it.
Pourquoi tu me fais ça, mon bébé, malé? Je ne veux plus de toi, mon cœur est brisé, désolé. Now so everywhere you walk up beating. I know fit to live now, maybe papa for picking. What's over here, I'm cool, did she live? No polygamy, I blast that thing.
If she single and searching, no say she be Clando. And if your money no plenty, no enter Clando. If she single and searching, no say she be Clando. And if your money no plenty, no enter Clando.
She like money, oh, she like money, oh. She like money, oh, she like money, oh. I give her my love, she throw away. I give her my love, she throw away. Elle s'amuse, elle jette le quartier, elle s'amuse. Elle délivre, elle forme tous les gars, elle délivre. She don't want your heart, no. And when you see I'm a guy, no. She don't want your love, no. And when you see I'm a guy, no go. Every day she go wake up, she dress, fine clothes, manicure, pedicure. And if you check in her purse, fine girl, 5 francs, she no get. But she go around telling her friends, and she run this town. Nobody fit tell her true name if I Tracy or not Juliana.
I give her my heart, she throw away. I give her my heart, she throw away.
Throw away.
Yeah.
If this someone is sing the next you, Kiss Electrical for Malingo. Now so they talk. But now for Malengo, you know fi kiss him because if you kiss him, you dey let that fly away. They hang for light for night. You go dry. When we enter the third this and that when are nyang things. That means say nyang thing them where they get for happen na so it day for 237 industry. So the first one na Renis don't decide say he want release a new EP. That is the Renis Express. Renis na the auto for in the soup, the pepper in the soup, the condiments in the soup, in the soup. So right now we don't know now which soup we will go enter for this express. Let me say I don't know whether na which express we will go enter, but rain is on. It come out small time. That means say it just remain na pinini so. May it can come out. May we come out for Renis. We'll go for Chris the Rapper. Chris the Rapper to get Hallelujah EP. Where he talks say he too will move up in the coming days just now. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have finally come to the final end of the program for today. We hope to see you guys scotché in your chairs for the next edition. Remember, the man if we do for back the touching machine. Now Mr. Quine Chamba when na the grand frère where if we did, then the overall sound engineer it will be na Mr. Mark F of Coverport Beat. Director for the show will be na Mr. Neftender and I, your humble host, Mr. Big Bow, Big Bow, Kupo, Dibo War, what Walibi, what Tagadabum, alias Distin Chatangam, Mulo, never touch that dial on CMTV. Now the best thing we don't ever happen for we, for entertainment, for Cameroon. Adios. Oh, la vie.
Pourquoi tu me fais ça, mon bébé, malais? Je ne veux plus de toi, mon cœur est brisé, désolé. Now so everywhere you walk up beating. I know fit to live now, maybe papa for picking. What's for the yavi, I'm cool, did she live? No polygamy, I blast that thing.
If she single and searching, no say she be clando. And if your money no plenty, no enter clando. If she single and searching, no say she be clando. And if your money no plenty, no enter clando.
She like money, yeah, she